Thank you for watching this video. Today we will be doing technical analysis on the S&P 500 for Monday, February 8th, 2021. And for this analysis, we will be using stockcharts.com. That is the charting service that I use and pay for, and I will leave a link to their site in the description box below this video. My name is Rodney Constable. I am the president and founder of Simple Market Signals at simplemarketsignals.com. So let's start off with the performance of the S&P 500 today. We were up 74 basis points and closed at 3915.59. So this was the first day on Monday, February 8th, 2021, where we had any trading above or a close above the 3,900 level. So this market just continues to power higher. And the chart we're going to be working off of today is a 15-day, 15-minute candlestick chart of the S&P 500. So let's start in the upper right-hand corner of the chart. So this is today's trading right here on this 15-minute chart. And you can see that we gapped up at the open and gapped up over to that 3,900 level and kind of, pulled back a little bit throughout the day, but you can see that we closed at the highs of the day, again closing at 3915.59, up 74 basis points for the day, and again another new all-time daily closing high in the S&P 500. Now, it was just a few days ago on January 29th that we had pulled back to the 3,700 level, as you see here. So this bottom blue line is 3,700, and we had that sell-off at the end of January. We'd pulled back right to, and just for a few minutes, dipped below the 3,700 level, but just 6 sessions later, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here we are at another new all-time closing high in the S&P 500. Now let's take a look at the support levels below where we are currently trading, because with this rapid of a move, it would make sense that we would have some type of a pullback over the next few days. It may or may not happen, but as a normal course of trading, it is really important to understand where the support areas are below where we are currently trading. So the near-term support level is going to be found at this 3860 level. That's this top blue line here. And you can see that during the kind of the middle to the latter part of January, we had overhead resistance right here at 3860. We just kept bumping our head up against this level. And then, of course, we had that sell-off down to the 3,700 level, which we just talked about. Now, there is also some support a little bit around this 3818 plus or minus level. So anywhere from 3815 to 3820 or so, 22. You can see that we had a few candles right here. Some, kind of trading down to this level on the 25th of January, and a few minutes of trading around there on the 28th. Again, it pulled back to this level on February 3rd. So there is some support there, but the real support is at 3860 and then 3700, as you see here. So if you are a shorter term trader, want to put some stops in or whatever, those would be the areas you might want to think about. Again, 3860 and 3700 being the chief support areas below where we are currently trading. But around that 3818 plus or minus level, there is some additional support. So we're getting really, really close, about 85 points away from S&P 4000. It is just unreal to think that we're already at this level. We could easily be there in the next few days if this market does continue to power higher. However, the fact that we've had so many positive days in a row on the S&P 500 and we've rallied over 200 points since the end of January, it wouldn't surprise me to see some type of a pullback for a day or two or even longer sometime this week. Again, it may or may not happen, but just be prepared for it, because at some point, right, we'll get at least a couple of days of pullback in the markets. And as long as we stay above 3860, not a whole lot to worry about. However, if we break this 3860 level, again, 3818 and 3700 would be the areas that I'd be watching. To learn more about how Simple Market Signals can help you in both up and down markets, go to the web address that you see on the screen. That's https://simplemarketsignals.com.